Welcome to Cozy English Corner. Today we are doing a deep dive into automotive repair. When your vehicle breaks down, speaking to a mechanic requires highly specific mechanical vocabulary to ensure you are not overcharged.
This is a vital topic. I hear a strange noise in my engine, but I do not know how to explain it to the mechanic.
The first thing the mechanic will do is run a diagnostic test. They plug a small computer into your dashboard to read the digital error codes from the engine.
The diagnostic test tells them exactly what is broken. What if I just need standard maintenance?
The most common maintenance is an oil change. The mechanic drains the dirty, black oil from the bottom of the engine and replaces it with clean, golden oil to keep the metal parts moving smoothly.
An oil change keeps the engine healthy. What if the dashboard light says my tire pressure is low?
You might have a flat tire. The mechanic will check for a small hole caused by a sharp nail. If they cannot patch the hole, you must buy a completely new tire. They will also check your brake pads.
The brake pads, those are the pieces that stop the car when I push the pedal, correct?
Yes, if the brake pads are worn out, your car will make a terrible squealing noise when you stop. Before they start any work, you must ask for an estimate.
An estimate is the printed paper showing exactly how much the parts and the labor will cost.
Exactly. Labor is the hourly fee you pay the mechanic for their physical work. Diagnostic tests, oil changes, flat tires, brake pads, estimates, and labor. You are completely ready to visit the repair shop.